Welcome to your new Epson 570. It's a business in a box. Today, GSG is going to show you just how simple it is to get it set up and running with the help of Mallory, our apparel decorating specialist. Your first step is to locate exactly where you want to place the Epson 570. Then make sure all items have been included in the box. Check the directions for a helpful diagram and item list. Next, remove all of the plastic sheets and tape. It's time to fill the tanks. Open the ink tank cover and the cap for the black ink. Gently shake the black ink for 5 seconds. Open the ink in the upright direction and insert into the port for black ink. Do not squeeze the ink into the port. Once inserted, it will fill on its own and automatically stop when it is finished. Once finished, restore the cap and save the remaining ink. Once all colors have been filled, close the ink tank cover. Connect the power cord to the printer and then the cord to the wall. Raise the control panel and then press the power button to turn on the machine. Select your language. When you see a message about removing protective parts, select Done, and then set the date and time. When the message to see the Start Here sheet appears, press and hold the Home button for 5 seconds. When the ink confirmation message appears, select Start to charge the ink. Ink charging takes about 30 minutes. Insert your paper roll and follow the guide on the control panel if you run into any difficulty. Connect to your Wi-Fi for wireless printing. And you've done it. Your Epson 570 is up and running and you're ready to print. Be sure to check GSG's other videos on the Epson 570, including a tutorial on how to send a file to print, and an example of creating your own custom face mask from conception to completion. Thanks for watching.